In this video, we're going to go over recording. Before you start recording, you should prepare. First, you should make sure that your hardware is connected. If you're using a mic that requires phantom power, make sure that's turned on. Make sure you've created an audio track. And then make sure the input is set to where the mic is. Generally speaking, if you're recording a song, make sure you create a click track. To do this, go to Track, Create Click Track. Now this click track will be determined by the BPM of the song. You can also choose the time measurements of your first and second click. Now that we've configured the click track, we can close it. To check the signal on your audio track, click the Record Enable button. This indicator will show you how hot your mic is. As long as you're in the green, you're good. If you're in yellow, you might want to be careful. If you're in red, that means you're clipping. If you're clipping, that means you're way too hot. But just because your indicator doesn't get to the red, doesn't mean your audio interface isn't clipping. So make sure you have the appropriate levels on your interface. Before you start a recording session, it's always good to look at and see how much space you actually have available. The disk usage window allows you to see how much you can record at the standard settings you have set up right now. Before you record something, make sure you're in the right recording mode. All right, let's record something. As you can hear, you have the click in the background, and you can now see that you're recording. All right, that's enough. Now, let's look to the right. The clips window shows you all audio regions you have available. As you can see, our only clip is right here, and once you click it, it's then selected. If I were to break this up, it then shows multiple clips that you can then select. And now you've made your first audio recording.